In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device for your prototype in Figma. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Head to figma.com and sign in if you're not already. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace, which lists your files and teams. Next, open your project. You can click it from recent files, search for it by name, or find it inside your drafts or team folder. This will load your canvas where all your frames and components live. Now let's create the screen that will sit inside the device. Click the Frame tool. You'll find it in the top toolbar. It looks like a square with a border, and the keyboard shortcut is F. Draw it on your canvas by clicking and dragging to the size you want. If you already have a frame, you can simply select it instead of drawing a new one. Frames in Figma represent screens, so treat this as your app or web page surface. With your frame ready, switch into Prototype. Look to the right-hand sidebar and click the Prototype tab. This is where you set up interactions and, importantly, add a device around your frame so your prototype looks like it's running on real hardware during presentation or testing. Make sure your frame is selected because device options only show when a frame is active. In the Prototype panel, find the Device section. Select the kind of device you prefer, then click it to apply. You'll see categories like phones, tablets, and desktop sizes with specific models underneath. Choose the one that matches the experience you're designing. For example, a modern phone for a mobile app or a laptop frame for a responsive website. The device frame appears around your screen, giving it realistic bezels and safe areas. A few tips as you choose. Pick a device that matches your intended audience and testing environment, and keep scale consistent so your type and spacing feel natural. If the device doesn't appear, double-check that you're in prototype mode and that the correct frame is selected. You can always switch to another device later without changing your layout. Remember, the device choice is per frame, so if your project has multiple screens, select each frame and apply the same device for a consistent flow. Duplicating a frame will carry the device setting forward, which helps keep everything aligned across your prototype. That's it. Open Figma, open your project, draw a frame, switch to prototype, and select the device you prefer. Your prototype now looks polished and presentation ready.